I feel like for a music video, this would have been like... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ohemaa, and today, if you are a returning subscriber, hey! In today's video, I am going to recreate some of the looks that you saw in the Chlöe Bailey Have Mercy music video. Now the reason why I'm doing that is because the very first time I watched that video, the looks really stood out to me, and the scenery and all of that, okay? Hence the background, because we're going to be doing the very first look that you saw in that video. I am going to give you like 3 looks. I'm going to give you 3, maybe 4 if I'm ambitious looks from this video. I'm gonna jump right in and just start what I'm doing. So if you want to see how to create some of the looks from the Chlöe Bailey Have Mercy video, definitely keep on watching. So I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Brow MVP in the shade Deep Black. Urban Decay Primer Potion, because I have oily eyelids. I like to prime my eyes before I apply any base to my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime in the shade number 3. So I'm taking the ColourPop Down to Earth palette. Okay, and I am gonna first go into this shade and use that to outline the shape of this eye look. There's a little bit of black in there because I went ahead and did this eye, but of course in her look she has more of a taupey outline to her look. But I'm using a warmer tone so that it would actually show up very nicely on my skin tone. Because she's much lighter than me, that's why I'm using this shade. It's basically almost like a subtle black smoky eye on the outer parts of the eye, and then the rest of it is that silver glittery kind of feel to it. Okay, so next I am gonna go into this shade, the black shade in the palette, and I'm gonna use that on my crease, but also be careful not to put too much because black could definitely overtake your look and you didn't even realize it was happening. So you have to do like light touches, which is exactly what I'm doing. So the look in the actual video is more like the first look that I ever created with this taupe palette. I'm gonna put the link down below so you can see it. First, we're going to go into the Juvia's Place taupe palette. Okay, we're gonna use this shade right here, okay? And we're gonna place it onto the base. This base is very sticky, so I'm not really worried about what it's gonna look like. I know that it's gonna get stuck on there, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this shimmer shade in the middle of my eye. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. Okay, so this gives us our silvery base, because every glitter look needs a good base to stay on. If you're gonna do a glitter look, you should definitely put the color of the glitter down as a shimmer shade before you put the glitter on top of it. That way it has some kind of a filler for the look. If you understand what I'm saying, say hey. Okay, so I have this clear duo lash glue over here. I've seen the girls use this as their glitter glue, so that's what I'm gonna do. We have oily eyelids, so we don't want to take any chances with this. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over my eyelids. I'm really hoping this is not the one that dries black, because I am going to be upset. Okay, so from what I understand, if you don't want to make a mess with glitter, you have to wet the brush that you're picking it up with. I am going to be using this glitter thing that I got from Amazon. I will put the link to the store down below for you if you want to check it out. So I have a wet tip brush over here. This is a ColourPop E3 brush. I'm gonna pick up some of this glitter blue base that we just did. Woo. Okay, we're gonna go in steps here. Okay, we're going in steps because the way this glitter glue is set up, the way this glitter is set up. Ooh, I can't blink. I can't open my eyes all the way because this glue has my eyes opening downwards like that. Literally, this is what I saw in the video. I put too much glitter on, but that is the whole point. This is extra. This is supposed to be an extra look. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. We're gonna go ahead and go into skin. Skin routine can be whatever, you know, whatever you want it to be. So we're gonna try to keep it as close to her video skin as we possibly can. If we can't do that, if we can't, then, you know, we're just gonna do it the Ohemaa style. Okay, so we're using the Fenty Pro Filter primer. So as you can see, that foundation definitely oxidized down to a deeper shade, because whenever I put it on my face, it looked like this shade over here, and once I blend it in, it just like matches my skin tone, and the glitter has started showing up in the places that I don't want it to show up in. I'm going to use a little bit of the Fenty 480 concealer in the middle parts of my eye. Okay, and then we are going to put 495 on the outer part of the eye. Take it off, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard to be here cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' let me on your mind forever. Taking my trusty handy dandy LA Girl Casual Auto Liner, and in the video you can clearly tell that the outer parts of her lower lashes is lined with black. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna stop halfway in, just like that. I'm also gonna make sure it connects to my actual eye look. So what I'm doing is taking the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner stick. This one is called Sterling Silver. I'm gonna put that on the inner part of this eye. I'm also gonna put it on my lower lash line and just blend it into the black. Just like that. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of my Fenty powder foundation. We're gonna use that to, you know, even everything out because it is my finishing powder. And there's glitter on my lips. I definitely needed to do this look first because, you know, glitter can overtake everything. I'm using one of my brushes. I really love this brush, how big it is. I like the shape of it because you can exactly do like precision application if you want. But I also like to use a flat side because it definitely helps blend everything together. And you guys know in makeup it's all about the blend, right? I'm going through some kind of an exfoliation phase, so my skin is like super exfoliating right now. She had very natural lashes on, but there's no way I'm going to do this look and not use dramatic lashes, and I really want to use one of my super dramatic lashes for this. So I was sitting here looking through my makeup stash trying to figure out the best lashes for this look, because I was actually looking for the Côte d'Ivoire lashes, and I saw my snow lashes, which is these lashes that I launched last year. They are colored lashes, but this one is called Snow. It is like a whitish lash, and I thought this would look very good with the silver look and the hair. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me know what you think. It's extra. I know it's extra. You don't have to use white lashes, but you know, I just couldn't do this look and not put a spin on it. Like, I feel like for a music video, this would have been like. If you're new here, this is the e.l.f. blotting mist. We're almost done with this bottle, but we have like 3 backup bottles. Get into it, check it out. It will save your makeup, I promise. Whew, I just bathed in this. Do you see this? We're gonna line with the Sephora Molasses. I'm gonna use Fenty Glow in the Fenty Cream Gloss. Oh, in the Fenty Beauty Cream Glosses. And for a very subtle highlighter look, we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb Triple Drip Palette. Okay. I keep feeling like there's a glitter about to fall in my eye. I'm freaking out right here, okay? I'm using hot chocolate so that I can get the glow without like overwhelming the look, and also like without changing the look. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with this. I'm definitely gonna be using my glitter more. My mom has been seeing me going back and forth upstairs. She just told me she thought I was wearing glasses. That's how intense and shiny my eyes are, and she thought I was wearing glasses. I was like, what are you talking about? Light, because I want y'all to be able to appreciate how shiny my eyes are right now. My eyes are super duper 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 shiny right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is our first look. I absolutely love this look with the white lashes and also without the white lashes. I feel like you can do the blonde lashes or you can do regular lashes and it would still look bomb AF. Okay, I feel like the blonde lashes sort of takes it to like a whole other level. Okay, the blonde lashes definitely takes this to a whole other level. But regular lashes would be perfectly fine, so don't feel obligated to step it up, make it extra like I did. Okay, ooh, I feel like my eyes kind of sort of match my nails at this point. Okay, period. Okay, period. I think this look really closely resembles what she did in her video. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this first look. Let me know down below in the comments if I nailed it. I definitely think I nailed it. If you take away the lashes, like this is it. Okay, this totally nails the look, like, period. Okay, it is extra. So we're gonna do 3 videos. Like, I'm gonna try to give it back to back. Okay, back to back. Just keep it coming. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.